Let us start defining the each branch and then cover that branch in one line. So mechanics is also the branch of physics. It deals with the motion of objects with or without reference of force. So whenever someone asks, what is mechanics? You have to say motion of objects with or without reference of force. Simple as nothing. And then we have electricity. Electricity is also the branch of physics. It deals with the phenomena and effects related to the electrical charges. This is also same as the definition of the electricity. Whenever someone asks what is electricity, you have to say effects and phenomena that relates electric charges. Next, electricity, you have to say effects and phenomena that relates electric charges. Next we have electromagnetism. It deals with the observation, principles and laws and method that relates the electricity and magnetism. The three or four stuffs: observation, principles, laws and method that relate electricity and magnetism. This one is a little bit waxy. So let's so I like to say whenever someone asks me what is electromagnetism, I say the stuff that relates the electricity and magnetism. Simple. Solid state physics. It deals with the structure and properties of solid material. This is also simple. Atomic physics. It deals with the structure and properties of atom. Simple. Nuclear physics. It deals with the structure, properties and reaction of the atomic nuclei.